Back again with interesting facts. Fact 1. Sharks existed before trees. When you think about it, that's actually kind of crazy. Fact 2. Sloths can hold their breath underwater for up to 8 minutes, longer than dolphins. Dolphins are known for being able to hold their breath for a long time underwater, but sloths can do it even longer. Fact 3. A shrimp's heart is in its head. I guess that explains why they're so heartless. So which fact surprised you the most? Drop it below. And make sure to follow Interesting Facts for more fun facts about animals.